over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Welcome to Amavenza on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by my sister Libiso Kimawatsokoda.
So next week, Kirina li Pirates. So this week, Kirina li Pirates. So Pirates, Kinyaga I win. Because I Kinyagi Sundowns.
In the league.
It's a league. Yes. Kirata. Pirates, it's a league because we can win the league as a Kaizer Chiefs. So Kinyaga Pirates. So this week, yes. So I so wish Uguri. Pirates redraw Mara Kinyaga it's a league. Because Sundowns are rat. So Kinyaga Pirates at least it's a league because we can't now.
Sundowns.
Yeah, Sundowns. Kinyaga Pirates it's a league. Yes.